Hello, fellow speech students. Just how important is it to make your message clear? Allow me to share some examples of jumbled communication with you. Suppose you saw this sign hanging outside a courtroom where cellular phones are not allowed. Might the intended message be a little bit lost? What about this sign? If I violate a parking rule, are they going to pay me? If you want to get your message across without any confusion, proper spelling is important. So is proper punctuation. If this were taken literally, proper punctuation just might save Grandpa's life. Take a look at this cartoon. While this slogan did well for the dairy industry, any language enthusiast can tell you that it is not grammatically correct. I have a question. I have two questions. First, what is your opinion of the person that made these signs? Second, what is your opinion of the person who installed the misspelled signs? Spelling and punctuation and using correct grammar are important. It is worth taking the time and finding extra resources if necessary to ensure that the written and verbal communication that you put out is precise. While I do not have an English degree, I have maintained high grades in English during my educational career. I have a passion for, might I even say an aptitude for, properly demonstrating these skills. I am one of those people, quote unquote, who silently and occasionally verbally correct the incorrect grammar I hear and the misspellings that I see. Regardless of how intelligent you are, using poor spelling, punctuation, and grammar will make you appear otherwise. Make sure your spelling, punctuation, and grammar are correct. It's a relatively easy thing to do, and it will help you be seen by other people as more intellectual. I intend to outline for you how correct use of spelling, punctuation, and grammar will help you streamline your communication, convey your intelligence, and assist you in your education as well as the education of your children and grandchildren. I will demonstrate that the need for proper English has not fallen by the wayside since the written word has gone viral. While it does appear that our language has eroded since technology has taken over most body copy, the need to know and follow the rules of our language has not. Being able to use spelling, punctuation, and grammar correctly are indicators of an educated, intelligent person who has taken great care in how they communicate. I hope I have illustrated why the careful use of our wonderful language is still an important part of our everyday communication. Thank you.